Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about this oil, and the oil is Foria intimacy oil. Okay, so you should buy this oil or not. Does this oil really give you results, or it just another hype? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand is approx 10 to 11 year old for your wellness. Okay, so in the terms of legitness, the brand is 100% legit, but there is some concerns also. You can see in the period of 10 years they have only like one review. Okay, you can see they don't have you can like so much popular or strong profile on Trustpilot. Okay, so if we talk about like let's forget about the reviews. First of all, if we talk about like sex oil, basically what is the main ingredient? So you can see like organic coconut MCT oil. Okay, basically the main ingredient of this product is like coconut oil. Okay, and if we talk about like coconut oil is really good oil, but in the terms of intimacy, and if we talk about if you're going to use this oil for intimacy, it will not give you so much pleasure. Okay, as they have mentioned, like provide more pleasure, penetration, reduce friction. Yes, definitely it will reduce your friction. And but if we talk about like as you know, like this oil comes with the CBD. So basically when CBD is mixed with any CBD, you can like any oil, it will give you results for some people, not for everyone. Okay, you can see like in pain and inflammation, it can reduce some chronic pains and inflammation, but on human trials there is mixed reviews. There is no such so much you can like results available on internet. And if we talk about like if you are going to buy there some other product, they have some intimacy melt tablet, and they have some other product also. If you use any product which is related to intimacy, if you are going to consume any product related to intimacy, it will really give you you can like benefits. Okay, but in the form of oil, in the form of this kind of oil, it will not so much helpful. And there is a one more thing, that is like subscription model. So they also have a subscription plan. So now my clear answer is yes, if you really want to try, you can try it for one time. You can purchase this product for one time. Don't try to take any kind of subscription, because when you take subscription, they will give you some discount, but if you forget to cancel your subscription, they will deliver you and they will charge on your account. You are if you are not going to cancel or pause, then they will definitely going to charge on your account. So definitely if you really want to use, you can use product, but don't try to take any kind of subscription. Okay, so this is the clear answer from my side. Now if we talk about you should use or not, yes, definitely. If you are curious to you can like curious to use this product, you can use it and you can feel your experience, and if this product really helpful for you, then you can continue. But according to our research, according to our knowledge, this kind of oil will not give you so much you can like benefits. Okay, so this is the answer and this is the information for you. If this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.